Moby Language Club.
Hello everyone, let's begin to learn English. We are talking about the basic sentence in English today. There are 5 types of basic sentence patterns. The SV pattern is the simplest sentence type. It includes just a subject and a verb. Let's see some examples.
The dog doesn't bit. The dog doesn't bit. The house burned down. The house burned down. She laughed. She laughed. She swims. She swims. The book fell. The book fell. He marches. He marches. She sneezed. She sneezed. God exists. God exists. Horses run. Horses run.
The second basic sentence pattern in English, we have the SVC. The verbs that join the subject with an adjective or another noun. A subjective complement is a word or a group of words that often follow a verb. Let's see some examples.
The actor became a big star. The actor became a big star. A school teacher makes a good wife. A school teacher makes a good wife. John is my best friend. John is my best friend. John seems in high spirits. John seems in high spirits. The final game is tonight. The final game is tonight. The key is there. The key is there. The plane is down. The plane is down. The cat looked elegant. The cat looked elegant. The drug proved effective. The drug proved effective.
The third basic sentence pattern in English is the SVO pattern. This pattern includes a subject, a verb, and an object. Let's see some examples.
That girl is drinking milk. That girl is drinking milk. The police caught the robbers. The police caught the robbers. We like our teacher. We like our teacher. My mother is looking after my baby sister. My mother is looking after my baby sister. The man has just written a letter. The man has just written a letter. The students have solved some mathematics problems. The students have solved some mathematics problems. She will visit her aunt tomorrow. She will visit her aunt tomorrow. My boss reads newspapers every day. My boss reads newspapers every day. The audience enjoyed the movie. The audience enjoyed the movie.
Next is the SVOO sentence. This type includes a subject, a verb, 2 objects, an indirect object, and a direct object. Let's see some examples.
My parents always tell me stories. My parents always tell me stories. We have lent him some money. We have lent him some money. They are asking the teacher some questions. They are asking the teacher some questions. The man has bought his son some crayons. The man has bought his son some crayons. The driver has just shown the policeman his driving license. The driver has just shown the policeman his driving license. The nurse gave the patient some medicine. The nurse gave the patient some medicine. My uncle brought me a bouquet of flowers. My uncle brought me a bouquet of flowers. The customer is paying the shopkeeper $100. The customer is paying the shopkeeper $100. She has never told her brother the secret. She has never told her brother the secret.
The last basic sentence pattern we have in English is the SVOC. This sentence pattern includes a subject, a verb, an object, and a complement. Let's see some examples.
I consider John my best friend. I consider John my best friend. The good news makes John happy. The good news makes John happy. The sponsors set the final game tonight. The sponsors set the final game tonight. I left the key under the mat. I left the key under the mat. The pilot brought the plane down. The pilot brought the plane down. The man called the cat fatty. The man called the cat fatty. They made him captain of the team. They made him captain of the team. I find it impossible to finish the task in time. I find it impossible to finish the task in time. We find the book very interesting. We find the book very interesting.
Hey, if you like our video, please like and share the video to support us. And leave us a comment on what do you think and like to learn from our future video. Thank you for watching. And see you next time.